Today let's have a look at a highly capable and compact headlamp from TrustFire, the MC12. It's rated up to 1000 lumens with a maximum beam reach of 105 meters, and as you can see it's quite tiny, perfect for EDC. It comes with this handy pocket clip, which means you can attach it easily to clothing or straps, etc., and even acts as an extra point of contact on the included head strap. It's of course waterproof up to IPX8 and impact resistant up to 1 meter, and it even has a flat magnetic cap to attach it easily wherever you need. It takes power from a single 16340 rechargeable battery, or it can use CR123A batteries. Run times will vary of course depending on the modes, from almost an hour on max output aka 1000 lumens, all the way to 160 hours on moonlight aka survival mode, which is 3 lumens. In total it has 3 modes plus a strobe. Now let's have a quick look in the box. You get a quick instruction manual, a magnetic charging USB cable with a proprietary port, a hand strap, O-ring with a keychain loop, and of course a head strap. This has a nice rubber insert to make sure it doesn't slip easily from your head. Speaking of heads, I found it very comfortable, and given its low weight because it's made from T6 aluminum, it felt very secure. Also the adjustable strap is highly welcomed of course. To charge it, it's easy because the port is on the side and you just have to attach the cable. As you can see, it even has a status LED. Red to show that it's charging and green when it's done. If it flashes, that means something's wrong. Also, the MC12 features a built-in quick display of the battery. You just need to do a quick single press on the on and off button and it will give you 4 options. Green for anywhere between 100 to 50% charge, yellow anywhere between 50 to 20%, red for 20 to 5%, and under 5 it will flash in red. Regarding operation, again it's very easy since it only has one button. You can even lock and unlock the flashlight by double pressing the on and off button. A long press, roughly 1 second, will turn on the flashlight or power it off. To cycle through the modes, just single press to the desired one. Plus it has a memory, so it will reopen to the last used one. To access the strobe, just do a long 2-second press. That's it. Now let's wait for nighttime and see how it performs. As expected, it's quite bright, with a nice even beam diffusion, I would say plenty for most needs. To wrap things up, here it is next to some of my EDC keychain items. And honestly, if you remove the pocket clip, it should be practical even as a daily carry. All in all, this MC12 from TrustFire is really good, and if you are interested, please have a look in the description since you will find a 20% off voucher from them. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.